Have you ever sneezed when stepping into bright sunlight or looking at a strong light source? It's not just you, it's called the photic sneeze reflex, and about 25% of people experience it. Here's how it works. When your eyes are suddenly exposed to bright light, it overstimulates the nerves connected to your eyes and nose. Your brain, a little confused by the signals, triggers a sneeze. This harmless reflex might have evolved as a way to clear your nasal passages, but no one knows for sure. So, next time the sun makes you sneeze, remember, it's just your body's quirky wiring at work. Have you experienced this before? Let me know in the comments.